Hi, I'm Cindy Wilson, and welcome to Home Sweet Home Craft Room Creations. I am in love with the TV series Yellowstone, so in today's video, I'm paying tribute to the show by making a rustic serving tray. So stick around for a while and let's do this. I found an old piece of plywood in my scrap pile, and with a router and circle jig, I cut out an 18-inch round disc. I sanded the disc, then printed out the sublimation design I created in Corel Draw. I attached the design to the tray with heat transfer tape and placed it in the heat press for 180 seconds at 400 degrees. I really wasn't happy with the outcome. On to plan B. I still wanted the tray, so I sanded down the whole disc, eliminating the stain and whatever image was on there that you could see. I went back into Corel Draw and saved my design there as an SVG, then uploaded it into Design Space. I chose Oracle 651 permanent black vinyl for the design, cut, weeded, and attached the image to the tray. To give the tray a more finished look on the edge, I I used some leftover leather strapping that I'd had from a previous project. No tray is complete without handles. I found these on Amazon. I'll leave a link to them and all other items I used in this video down in the description box. With the handles attached, the tray was done, and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. I'd love to hear what you think, so drop a comment below. If you enjoyed today's video, please help support my channel by clicking the like and subscribe buttons as well. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.